Tuscan Imports is a brand that's making waves, especially if you're someone looking to buy high-quality Italian goods. But before you make your purchase, there are 7 key things you need to know about Tuscan Imports that will help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned, because I'll also share how it stacks up against the competition and why it's a great choice for your next purchase. First up, the variety of products Tuscan Imports offers is impressive. Whether you're in the market for luxury kitchenware, premium olive oils, or exquisite Italian textiles, they have it all. What sets them apart from competitors is the authenticity of their offerings. Many brands claim to sell Italian goods, but Tuscan Imports goes the extra mile to ensure that each product is directly sourced from the heart of Tuscany. In a world full of mass-produced goods, they offer a genuine Italian experience. Next thing to consider is their commitment to quality. When you're buying products like olive oil or ceramics, quality matters. Tuscan Imports prides itself on offering premium products that meet the high standards set by artisans in Italy. Their olive oils are particularly notable, as they source from family-owned farms that have been making olive oil for generations. In comparison to other brands, Tuscan Imports delivers a freshness and flavor that rivals even the most reputable Italian brands. The third thing you should know is their customer service. From my own experience, dealing with them is straightforward and professional. They have a responsive team that can assist you with anything from product questions to shipping concerns. Plus, their website is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through their offerings. This is where Tuscan Import stands out against other competitors, who may have outdated websites or less accessible customer service. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing. While Tuscan Imports isn't the cheapest option out there, it's clear that you're paying for quality. The pricing is competitive when compared to other luxury Italian brands, but you're getting more value for your money. Products often come with a higher price tag because they are imported directly from Italy and are hand-picked for their craftsmanship. If you're looking for value and authenticity, this is definitely worth it. Next thing to keep in mind is the brand's sustainability practices. Tuscan Imports takes sustainability seriously. They focus on sourcing products from suppliers who follow environmentally friendly practices. This includes everything from using renewable energy to reducing plastic packaging. While many competitors still rely on unsustainable methods, Tuscan Imports is ahead of the game when it comes to eco-consciousness. The sixth thing to know is their shipping process. One of the major advantages of shopping with Tuscan Imports is their efficient delivery. They provide international shipping, and from my own experience, it was quick and hassle-free. Unlike some competitors who have long delivery times or hidden shipping fees, Tuscan Imports is upfront about costs and provides reliable tracking. It's one less thing you need to worry about when ordering. Finally, if you're someone who loves trying products before fully committing, Tuscan Imports offers excellent trial opportunities. You can get a taste of what they offer with a completely free trial. This is a great way to test their products without any risk, and you won't find this kind of offer with many other brands. So, if you're looking to try out Tuscan Imports for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial offer. Plus, you'll get some exclusive benefits only available through that link. That's it. Now you know everything you need to make an informed decision before buying from Tuscan Imports. Don't forget to check out the first link for your free trial and exclusive benefits. Thanks for watching.